statistically, you're 80% more likely to get promotions and pay rises if you can communicate to non-techies in the business. And that means speaking in a non-technical way. So there's a huge financial value to you in terms of to be able to do these things. And it's not necessarily that they need to understand your technical nature, because they're not going to. And they never will understand your technical terminology. It's about you being able to speak in a language that they can understand. Now, from my opinion, one of the main reasons behind devs not doing this is ego. And in my experience, developers have a huge amount of ego. Where that ego is based is around their intellect, more than anything else, and especially in a room. What ego does is it makes you dumb, which is really surprising considering this group of people is probably one of the most intelligent groups of people. So how can such an intelligent group of people be so dumb? Well, ego is what makes you dumb, and that's the ironic part. A lot of developers end up believing that you hold more value and you have than other people in the business. You believe UI and UX is colouring in, and you did that when you were 5 years old, so it's not that important. And you believe product owners and project managers just pass a buck, don't really understand what they're doing, and they don't appreciate the elegance of what you've written. A lot of developers end up believing they're the pillars of a company, and that without them, the company's fucked. Right? And if they fire me, good luck to you trying to deploy your application next week. And they have this element of untouchableness, and that's the aspect where the ego kicks in. That's where the superiority complex comes back. That's where feedback resistance comes in as well. You're dismissing input that you're being given.